lean on it.
I'm not leaning on it, I'm holding it.
So today I'm gonna fix and replace the rotten timber at the back of the caravan and hopefully yeah, get it done. So,
You tell me.
last night I've been working on replacing some of the rotten timber. Yeah, it's pretty much just continuing on from that.
So by the look of it, we need to take this off, yes, to access this piece, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we're going to do
Fun.
first is trying to finish this section here. And do that little section and then take this off. See how it's flimsy? So Liz is very excited about it. How's it going?
Good. Just trying to get like this ply is actually wedged in between. It's kind of just coming out like.
That's alright. So once we take that out, it'll be right. It's only the top bits.
Yeah, righto. Well, I've done that.
Yeah.
Without taking the nails out too much.
A long way to go.
Just gotta get on a roll.
See. Have it rotten?
A bit.
I'll lean on it.
I'm not leaning on it, I'm holding it. I'm standing on the part that you welded that's not gonna hold me. It's not, oh, is that gonna pull, that's pulling that out?
Yeah, that's right.
You want the whole lot out?
Yeah.
Look at that. Just use my bare hands for this one.
Ooh. There it is.
Bye-bye.
Might as well
We
replace
can like
that.
make a wall, a window.
We can.
Window.
We can. You get a fun spare. It started raining. Pain in the ass. Alright, so we're trying to work out what we're going to do with this corner. It's a bit rotten. I think we should replace it.
This is, we'll take that piece out. That one's okay. Ish.
No, that'll be alright. It's still big. I'm not
It's
changing
just this bit.
Just that.
So pull
piece.
that bit out to get to the piece
This bit.
underneath.
This is going to come out. So,
Yeah, that's just a big frame, so we can pull that out. We're going to reuse that piece. That piece is alright. That's two pieces anyway.
yeah, no, it's a bit dodgy.
Oh.
So,
It's going to be
what are
the
you
bunk
doing out
window.
there?
Hello.
You coming to help us?
You get your construction job? I mean,
So
construction
gloves
card?
ready?
Hey?
Get your gloves on, ready? Protective gear? Armour?
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh,
Well
this is going to be
done.
your... You're the only apprentice that comes and visits. What's the other one doing? He's on the TV. Is he watching TV?
Watching TV, is he? Yeah! So we've managed to get it done last night and finished it off. So you can see we've stapled this back, put new screws in, and what we have to do now is just put the J-roll back on. There she is. So the back's done. I'll show you the inside of what we've done. It's all replaced and all good. So that's done and on to the next one.